on in online.
No way,
Wunions if
Harry,
they
they've
catch
got
us
your
here.
mum on a painting.
Nah, Karina don't look that good.
That's more of a Elizabeth. Nah, Susan, look at that fucking conches.
Oh my god, true.
That's how you identify Susan, just look at her tits.
Yeah, just look at them, just incredibly large.
We should
they
probably get out the lost compound,
We were here for ages before.
are. Yeah, like
just in
genuinely.
case.
Well, there you go.
So yeah, that's definitely new. They 100% know about that then. Oh, car's not on. Where are you getting out? What's this? What's this Jose Tacos guy talking about?
The lost MC, more like the found MC.
Nice.
That is so unfunny. That's what Randall will laugh at.
What am I gonna say?
Some Randall sent a Discord. Ah, look at this guy.
Oh.
Who are you? Yeah, well, we saved Archie Hunter's life, to be fair, didn't we, Jack?
Yeah, I killed the cougar.
Actually, I did. I battered it the last hit.
Oh wow, but I did most of the damage.
Yeah, he did. He had a fucking hatchet, to be fair.
Jump the jump.
Alright.
Wunion!
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Holy fuck.